This video will show you how to use go-tos in the box accessories. Pivot stand. Slide the pivot stand base's cover down to remove it. Then stick the pivot stand onto a clean, flat surface. Put in go-to and adjust the angle as desired. When you're finished, slide the base cover back on. Rotate the camera frame 180 degrees. For extra security, put the pivot stand strap around your wrist. Then place go-to inside. You can now hold the pivot stand's base as you shoot. Magnet pendant. Make sure the side with the go-to outline is facing outwards. Wear the pendant underneath your shirt. Then place go-to on top of your shirt so it snaps together with the pendant. Easy clip. Clip the easy clip to a hat or headband. Then put in go-to. Rotate the camera frame to adjust the shooting angle.